Hey, welcome back, YouTube family. So I just posted about this on my Instagram, and I'm so excited because I've been waiting on this package for so long. Like, I'll tell my story again, but just a little quick story. I have been a victim of mail theft, and it happened in June and July, and it was from this shop and one other shop too. She resent this to me in July. That one was stolen. So then I made another order, and I just realized by looking at these dates that she had resent the packages from May and June, which was June and July is when I received them. So I'm like so grateful for the shop that she was gracious enough to send all this to me, plus everything else that I ordered. So let's just get right into it because I'm really excited. We have some new fall themed stuff. These are extras, I believe, because I don't know why they were outside of all of the packaging, and this is extras for sure because I did not order this. At least I don't remember ordering it. Oh, you guys, you know what it is? This is the monthly sticker pack. I have never received one of these, so I didn't know what it looked like. This is the September packet, actually. Oh, how cute. See, that's how long it's been since I've had an order. Guys, so, oh, you get a $5 shop credit as well. I guess I shouldn't be showing that. Then we get an acorn with my name on it, and you get this lettering in this fall color. So cute. Don't know where I'm gonna put that. Maybe on I don't know, maybe on a spread or something. Oh, look at the little sleepy. Oh, if you guys don't know, now you do know. You can actually, you put in JD&Brooklyn in Facebook on your gifts and look up JD&Brooklyn, and it'll pull up her dolls. She has a new gift. I know, so exciting. I'm waiting on it to come through on Instagram. That's going to be legit. So, this is a little sleepy girl. Very cute. And then we have planner meetup. And am I showing this to you guys? Okay. So, the little planner meetup girls. A monthly kit of acorns. Very cute, especially cute for a Hobonichi size. Happy fall. I love that blue pumpkin. So cute. And my favorite, and I ordered some extras of these too. She's so cute, you guys. So she's the fall girl. And she's in some leaves. And that outfit is so cute. That's something I would wear. Both of those are. And then planner friends. Planner friends make the best friends. I love that script too. That font. Okay, and then we have some more fall girls. Sleepy girls. I think I ordered some of the same stuff. She's super cute. Like, stylish and everything. Styling and profiling. By the way, you see this nail right here? Yeah. I broke that trying to get the mail out of my mailbox because I had a big Ipsy box that was in front of this package, and I went in to pull it out and it just took my nail right off. So yeah, the things you do for Happy Mail to get your Happy Mail. This is so cute. Love this doll, and those heels are everything. And that shirt. It comes off of her little shoulder. Sassy girl. Okay. She's putting on lipstick, you guys. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Love her. And you get some little boxes with the cute doll on top, chilling, with a stomach that I am striving to get. Okay, So here's one order. Let's put these aside. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love this. I love how she created these. Look how cute those doodles are. Trash day, wind down. Oh, that's cute. Wind down, grocery shopping, laundry day, heyday. Love. Black girl magic. Isn't she cute with her little thighs sitting out there? And oh, so cute. And then you get some of these little header. Cute, cute, cute. I love these. These doodles are everything. And the coloring is really pretty too. It's very vibrant. How cute. I hope you guys can see that good. Some more, because she's awesome. Hobonichi kits. So I got, oh, look at this one. This is the gray. It's like a gray color, but it has like dripping diamonds. That's cute. It looks like, this one looks like a mermaid theme, but it's like dark royal blues and purples and greens. I like these little boxes. These are cute. There's a washi strip. This week to buy bills weekend. Those are gonna come in handy. I need some more Hobonichi kits. Okay. Next order. Look how cute these are. Oh, I love this color scheme. It's a neutral gray, like peachy, like it's a matte grayish green color. I can't really describe it. Well, you guys can see it. Look at that trash can. That's cute. These are the little chibi dolls. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. What is she doing? Drinking tea? Oh, she's doing a selfie. It's a selfie doll. She's cute. Some word scripts. Plan this, places to go, let's go, night out. Big day, happy birthday, me time, bill due right now, busy day. Happy day, stay focused. Stay focused. Those are cute. Okay. The panda bear is everything. I love it. Oh, so cute. These were the summer ones that I purchased. Magical sweet. I had to have this one. Look at the ice cream and like it's really nice. Good quality, you guys. Llama corn. It's a llama corn. How cute. I'm gonna have to use these. I don't care what the temperature is. These are so cute. And it's a cute size too. A cute size? What is a cute size? It's like the perfect size. Love those. Wow, these are really cute. You got your Band-Aid, your doctor, prescription, dentist appointment, I guess. Eye appointment. I got some more of those. Yay! Okay, she's cute. She is reading her books. This has been me lately. Very cute. Okay, she's eating cake and drinking her wine. She's chilling. I mean, she is so cute. Barbecuing, chilling on the beach, it looks like. One looks like she's sick. One looks like she's about to go out on the night, eating cake and drinking wine. That's one package. I still got 2 more packages, you guys. Like I told you, this package it's big. Some more of these, because you can never have enough icons, right? This was a multi-pack, like a sample pack kit. It looks like Happy Mail, Laundry Day, Reading, Working, look, Bills, Paying Bills. She's cute. Love these. You can put little wording on the little headers that she's holding, banners. Ooh, some cute foiled Hobonichi kits. So this is the days of the week, so you get 4 weeks of those actually. So you can use these on any kit. They're more like a date covers, checklist, boxes, and circles, and like a header. And then you get that in, what is this called? Iridescent foil. Some more samplers of the same thing. Some more of her because she's cute. And one more package. And this one was the most recent one that I ordered. So I got some, look at how cute she is with those big earrings. Like she's thinking about something. Dreaming, thinking of a master plan. I don't know. That's the name of the other planner chick. My planner friend that I PR with on Planning City. Cute. I had to get these because I like putting the weather in my Hobonichi. Some more scripts. Because I hate not having more than, you know, if you run out, if you only get one sheet, you run out of it and you want more. Love her outfit. Little computer or work icons, computer icons, social, I don't know, whatever you want to use those for. And they're matte finish, black and white, grocery shopping baskets. Nails, I like the black and white and how it's matte. You could color it in. It's a nice material, you can color it. Grocery bags or shopping bags. Happy Mail, pen pal, whatever. Little planners. And then my light went out. Having technical difficulties. Okay. The little winter doll. Love that blue. That's pretty. Oh, these are so cute. I forget what these are called. There's a name for these. This type of design. Oh my goodness, look how cute she is. I love this. Oh, I love her outfit. And that heart coffee cup. Oh, so cute. Can't wait to, ooh. I love her too. She's got the dreadlocks. Very cute functional stickers with those. These are adorable. Like little sticky notes. And it's like a matte finish. Ooh, and she's like one of my favorite. Look at that blue headband. Well, it's like a headscarf. Those gold earrings. She's cute. Mind your own business. Minding her own business. Okay. More Hobonichi kits. So the rest, this is it. This is the Hobonichi kits. This is a black and white zebra. Ooh, that's cute. Ooh, and this one looks like an African style. Ooh, I can't wait to use that. Then we have like the pink diamond dripping kit. Cute. This is like a peach. Some extra sticker paper on this one. But it's like a purplish peach design. And then some more foiled month or days of the week and checklists. Header, gold foil. And this one is a rose gold. Pretty. So that is it, you guys. That is everything. There's a ton of sheets. You guys make sure you go check out her shop. Use my code Twyla20. I'll link it here and down in the description box. Let me know what your favorites are. Did you go shopping? Have you received the new monthly sticker kit? Because she does some special hand lettered, your name, personalized name in the theme of the season.